And I was like, no. This for 2 weeks. Oh my god. Turn and look up. Yeah. That is what I mean. किसकी नहीं है जाते decent at least. This is like so wild. Oh my god, I love. Not studying. ये क्या कर? Ooh, I like this. Oh my god. उसका cousin था, वो नहीं होता था. That's why I don't like men. Oh my. Yes. I had the same comedy. How are you? I realized I haven't done a proper intro for like 2 of my past videos, and then I'm like, is this what I want to continue doing? And then I was like, no. Why am I doing that is what I don't realize. This week I was like, I have to make an intro because that's fun. What do we have on the agenda today? So basically, I'm supposed to be meeting my junior, my homegirl, for like a content creation thing that I just backstory. One day, randomly, I was like, let's just text her once, what she feels about just randomly hanging out and recording and shooting content together. I'm just texting her at like 10:30 something. Within the next half hour or an hour, she's like, yes, let's do it. And I'm like, I was so right about texting her. She's just that girl who will be up for such a thing, such an idea. We're just discussing ideas on where to meet and all that. I suggested a different area. It's basically a very chill, cozy, relaxing area. Not that hustle bustle kind of a thing, but it has a very low-key kind of a vibe. I want, explored that area. I have been to that area, but I've stuck to one place in that area. She's also not very familiar with that area. I did on settling for the area where our college is. There are always people, regardless of which day it is. It's just like, let's just go there. And since we're familiar with the area and we know some spots that are aesthetic enough to record the content. Coincidentally, funny story, I am texting her, wear heels or not. She's like, I don't know, I'm wearing flats. Okay, and then she's like, what are you wearing? Which color? And then I'm like, dark blue, the stripes with her. Hi, I'm wearing a striped blue shirt as well. She sends a video. Our modus operandi is so aligned. I don't know. And she's like, are we twins or something? Maybe. I didn't even purposely decided on matching. It's that absurd, honestly. We decided since we are both wearing the color blue, we'll go on a color walk, focusing around the color blue. That we were supposed to go on 31st of May instead of today. It was like contacted her in mid-May. I suggested that we go by the end of it, meaning Saturday, 31st May. I'm outside, and then I return back home. 10 seconds away from my building, and I am drenched, pouring like crazy. Out of nowhere, it starts raining like cats and dogs. So I'm just like, I'm texting her. Let's see what happens after half an hour. So we were supposed to reach there by 2 o'clock. It was like 12:30 by that point of time. So I'm telling her, let's see within half an hour what happens. Then we had to postpone it because the clouds were not giving up. We were of the impression that it will not be getting sunny anytime soon. The most shocking part of it is the moment it struck 2. The moment it struck 2, the skies got so clear. Like, what is this a sign? Was that a sign? Anyway, so we had to postpone it as well. I did on a Monday because if we continued on postponing it, goodness, and we would eventually go. So we decided on Monday. We are having online classes right now. I don't know what to say about that. I have no idea what to comment on the fact that we have online classes right now. Anyways, My class got over by 10:30 something, but then I had like a 1:30 class with my HOD, and that went off till 2:15. So we just decided that we'll meet by 3, just have our food and just go. Because if we would not have our food today, it is very sunny actually. So the sun shining through the clouds, kind of sunny. I don't know if you get it, but we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what we have here. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We are going on a walk around Park Street.
Yes, it is pretty. It's pretty, it's very aesthetic, and we have a lot of content to shoot basically. Just messing around.
Yes.
And we've been looking forward to this for 2 weeks. Oh my god.
Exactly. But
Yeah.
it got postponed, but we are finally here and we are ready.
Finally. Yes, let's start. Oh.
Turn karo.
Nice. क्या करना है? I'll stand here. Face card.
Yeah, good start.
Do you want me to do something? Turn my head or something? Okay, you tell 1, 2, 3, and then I'll just turn.
1, 2, 3.
I look like I'm going to stare back at somebody. Like.
Kill the person.
अच्छा अच्छा chill is में कैसे दिखा रहे? I've lost all sense of my.
Cute.
This one is so.
Cute. Why doesn't it play?
Automatically.
Oh no, that was the first.
I like that one as well. Oh
I
yeah.
wanna kill you.
That is so me vibes. Oh my god, तेरा करने दो.
Is that safe?
Wait. Wait. Exactly. Oh, तेरा फेस में नहीं आ रहा है सन, थोड़ा और आ गया. और हो गया. बस perfect. Let me go back a little. Yeah. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Do it. I love that.
Wait, let me remove my headphones.
Oh yes.
Like, how do I do it?
Acha. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, I like. Turn and look up.
Wait, I'll just stand here like this and then I'll turn and look up.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Ooh, I'm not. हाँ, but इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है मुझे पता नहीं. Do you just include ये ऊपर का इधर तक? Do one thing. Should I stand a little back? I've been looking पहले इधर and then you include that. Oh my god, I was about to trip down. Oh, I like this. Like you're contemplating life.
Sequence well. Should I get like moving?
Oh हाँ, zoom in वाला भी अच्छा लगेगा. Wait, let me tie a bow. Oh, ऐसे tie करने वाला वीडियो लो. Alright.
Ready?
Man, I love this video.
It's so nice.
Such a nice
I
video.
love it.
चलो, तेरा क्या करना है इधर? Same.
या तो आई फील लाइक हेयर फ्लिप ही सब में मस्त लगे देयर एंड देन ओ या पूरा या वेट चलो oh my god हाँ include that I love that क्या glow that oh my god glowing चलो रुको yes I'll have to remember this both of them that were really minded when people recorded me from back. I think I go. It's a pretty story. Yeah. Yeah. We have and
What do you want to drink? They have iced tea here.
oh, iced tea. I love iced tea.
Which one?
Have you had green tea?
Green tea. I have had, but I don't quite like it. You can try peach iced tea.
Peach तो हाँ I want to try something new. Very choosy. तू पहले choose कर. I can't choose. Oh.
The watch is so nice. My friend got the same watch again.
पता नहीं इसका timing का I cannot like ये चल रहा है.
Oh my god, it says 119. It's
Yes.
123.
Exactly. तो हम अभी छोड़ दिए इसको.
Take it to. Do you like black currant ice cream?
I do like it.
Then you will like
Black currant iced tea कर देते हैं.
black currant. I hate black currant ice cream.
Should I stick to lemon?
If you don't want to be experimented, so take the risk.
Exactly.
See, lemon will always be.
Exactly.
Which one will it be?
I'm so peppermint कैसा होता है भाई?
Peppermint को
Normal
finger
होता
खाने वाला खाना
है.
बनाए. You should go with lemon or peach only.
Lemon ही करने दो. Let's stick to the basics only.
Excuse me.
Chicken curry. Yeah.
Can we do one peppermint? One lemon ice tea? One ice chocolate.
Not even recording.
Where do you go?
Oh my god. Yes. Yeah, a nice vibe.
Should you have book here? But you have to buy the book.
Oh, that's so nice.
After all, paying for the food. Why would I buy the book?
They should keep the used books here, the second-hand ones here. Yeah, so that it would be like effective for all of us.
Exactly.
और तुम्हारे पास और कस्टमर आएंगे.
Why? They don't get it.
Yeah, that is what I feel. कि बहुत लोग जाते हैं कॉलेज के बाद उधर, लेकिन हमें किसके लिए जाते हैं? Only for the aesthetics maybe. Yeah, because the food
should be good.
decent at least, good भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Prices sounds का. And then he's like judging me. He's like, this is not. And I actually told him ये cheesecake कैसे अच्छा होता है. He had never tried it before. And then that was his first experience.
First time you eat, he's never.
Yeah. He's like, up to kha. But I never had. Thank you. Thank you. This is so cute. This is so like aesthetic. The vibe.
This is so cute.
Oh my god, I love this. So chill. But then but that was made by a lady, like not a very small brand. अब बंद कर दिया है. And I've been experimenting so much with different types of aloe and it's never been right. That is, that clears my skin so good and it makes it so glassy. But वो वाला study here, notes or something. Yeah, I think I could write a term paper here.
Yeah.
Term paper or notes. Not studying, but this probably vibes. Yeah, and there are so many tables you can just sit. पूरा दिन कोई बोलेगा नहीं. Thank you. My mom is always like, these are the vibes. I'm just adjusting myself with her. Why is it stuck? Do you have it on? I think yeah, it'll happen. Oh yeah. अब आ रहा है. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Did that? No, टूट गया. Yeah. Look, she's coming. इस तरह. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, it did not. I feel like there's too much cheese. Ooh, I like this. Oh my god. That's nice. Except for the fact that ये गिर जाएगा अभी. Oh my god. It's good. Good food, good vibes.
Gappers.
Yes,
certified gappers.
Back home. There's some weird group fight happening here. I don't know. A lot of crows cawing in the background. Whatever. It was really fun and entertaining. We decided on hanging around with that cafe. I have seen that cafe multiple times, but I have never gone inside because for some reason I always stick to Blue Tokai. Doesn't matter which branch. Why they should sponsor me at this point of time, honestly. I'm a fan and I take everybody whom I hang out with to Blue Tokai because it's a vibe. Anyways, why am I blabbing about Blue Tokai when I went to some other cafe? So this cafe was also very nice. The pizza was amazing. 10 out of 10. The iced tea, I have mixed feelings regarding it. By the end of the sip, it had this weird tinge to it, like a very bitter tinge to it. Besides the content creation aspect, I loved hanging out with her. This is the first time we're like hanging out outside of college in that sense. As a matter of fact, like I love to know about people and just like going beyond that, like professional. No, actually, I'm saying like getting to know the other person besides feeling the need to know them, like actually wanting to know them rather than just feeling known by chance. If you know what I mean, like I don't know how to explain it properly. What I mean to say is that I genuinely want to know her, and I got to know her, and it was a lovely experience. Rather than me getting to know somebody just because, you know, like getting to know about somebody and just getting to know about somebody through something is a different thing, right? Because
I want to know about her because she's a great person actually. She's an inspiration, first of all. Her work, excellent. Her sense of fashion, her face card. I'm such a fan. Really got to know her as a person. Beyond that, oh, she's my junior. Oh, we are in the same committee. Like that. Yeah, that is what I mean to say. That getting to know somebody outside of the entire professional setup. So that was really nice. I feel that today was quite successful in that sense. I was very productive, attended my classes. I did attend my classes. And then I even went out and even yapped because I'm a girl. I can obviously always yap. That is what I'm doing right now as well. So, duh. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. So, I'll see you guys next week for a brand new vlog. Till that time, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.